Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine having an entire salon tucked neatly into one elegant, gold-styled case. Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. Meet the 8-in-1 Professional Hot Air Styler and Hair Dryer Brush, a multifunctional styling tool designed to dry, curl, straighten, volumize, and even give your scalp a gentle massage, all while aiming to minimize heat damage. From the moment I unboxed it, the first thing that caught my eye was its thoughtful design. The kit includes two 1.25-inch auto-wrap curlers, an oval brush, a firm smoothing brush, a round volumizing brush, a diffuser, an anti-splash dryer attachment, a dual-sided massage comb, gloves, a hair clip, and even a cleaning brush, all packed neatly in a luxurious leather case. For anyone who loves styling versatility without juggling multiple devices, this is definitely an intriguing set. The promise of intelligent overheat protection immediately stood out. This styler has a built-in temperature sensor, ensuring the heat never exceeds 250 degrees Celsius, which is essential for preventing damage to your strands. With 3 airflow and 4 heat settings, you can adjust according to your hair type and styling needs. The high-speed brushless motor produces airflow up to 23 miles per second, which translated for me into almost 5-minute fast-drying sessions, even on my thicker, medium-length hair. It's impressive how it reduces frizz and leaves hair looking smooth and shiny. Using the auto-wrap curlers was surprisingly intuitive. Thanks to the Kawanda effect, the device gently pulls the hair around the barrel for a voluminous, natural curl. I experimented with both directions of curl, and the results were consistently polished. The round volumizing brush added some nice lift at the roots, while the smoothing brush helped tame flyaways effectively. I also appreciated the lightweight design and 360-degree swivel cord, no tangling and easy maneuverability, which is a lifesaver during quick morning routines. Now let's be honest, no product is perfect. While the device dries and styles efficiently, I did notice that thicker or very long hair might need slightly longer sessions for optimal curling. The auto wrap function is fantastic, but for beginners, it can take a few tries to wrap the hair evenly. Additionally, the kit's premium design feels luxurious, but it does come with a higher price tag. On the flip side, the pros are compelling. It's genuinely an all-in-one tool, reducing the need for multiple devices. The fast-drying capability is a major time saver, the heat protection is reassuring, and the range of brush attachments means you can switch from sleek and straight to bouncy curls seamlessly. The packaging, accessories, and thoughtful extras like gloves and a cleaning brush elevate the experience. If you're comparing this to other multi-stylers on the market, many lack the complete set of attachments or advanced heat protection. While some might be slightly cheaper, they often compromise on airflow power or versatility. Here, the performance and design justify the investment for those who value a salon-quality experience at home. Overall, the build quality is solid, the attachments fit securely, and the leather case is both stylish and protective. While I haven't used it long enough to comment on extreme long-term wear, the materials feel durable, and the high-speed brushless motor is engineered for repeated use without overheating. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it up, the 8-in-1 Professional Hot Air Styler and Hair Dryer Brush is an impressive all-in-one styling solution. It's ideal for women who want versatility, speed, and protection for their hair without cluttering their bathroom counter with multiple tools. If your priority is convenience, performance, and a touch of luxury in a single kit, this product checks most of the boxes. Thank you so much for watching. The link to grab this styler is in the comments and description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.